Purchasing a car is an exciting time. Choosing a manufacturer-approved used car from a franchise dealer will give you additional confidence in the quality of the vehicle and the high levels of service received now and in the future. Ramp work in partnership with high-quality and trusted approved franchise dealerships, and both are committed to making your ownership trouble-free. We do this by providing our comprehensive like-for-like warranty, which provides all of the benefits you would expect from a manufacturer-approved used car warranty, but at a more affordable cost. We include a comprehensive initial inspection, cover for all mechanical and electrical parts. We provide unlimited number of repair requests up to the value of the vehicle, full costs of retail parts, full cost of labour, including main dealer labour rates, all repairs carried out by fully qualified manufacturer-trained technicians, breakdown assistance attended by the UK's leading breakdown organisation, the AA. The like-for-like plan does not apply any excesses whatsoever, wear and tear exclusions, or claims forms. Just ask our approved dealership for a quote. Like for like, providing trouble-free motoring.